2009 Cadillac Escalade on 30s. Look at that. Huge. Anyways, what we got done on it, factory converter there and there. Wise into a single. Then we put a 3-inch race muffler vibrant performance. Here is the part number. 3-inch in, 3-inch out, 3.5 oval out overall. Part number 1769 right there. Then we added a custom Y pipe, and then we dualed it out the back, 2 1/4 out the sides on each side, there and there, into 4-inch double wall stainless steel tips on each side, there and right there, as you guys can see. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Vibrant race duals Escalade. Again, here's sound decibels. One more. Right at 108. Again. Yes, it sounds so good on this Escalade. Go ahead and bring it back. Nice clean sound to it. Cadillac Escalade on 30s. You guys don't know nothing about Nashville. Again? Sounds good. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Cadillac Escalade on 30s, baby. Sexy. He's bringing this beast back, and we're gonna do it next, true dueling. That pop. There he goes. Yeah, beast mode in an Escalade.